The smartest way to make toxic people respect you is to never beg for it. You teach people how to treat you, not by words, but by what you tolerate. Silence, boundaries, and calm reactions make them question their own behavior. Here are 7 clever ways to make toxic people respect you without saying a single word. 1. Stay calm when they expect you to explode. Nothing confuses a toxic person more than peace. They expect drama, give them silence. When you don't react, you shift the power instantly. Your calmness exposes their chaos. 2. Walk away without explaining yourself. Every time you walk away from nonsense, your value doubles. Toxic people feed on attention, starve them with indifference. You don't owe explanations to people committed to misunderstanding you. Your silence will say what words never could. 3. Protect your energy like it's sacred. Not everyone deserves access to your peace. Distance isn't cold, it's self-respect. Protecting your energy is the quietest form of power. When you stop chasing people, you start attracting peace. 4. Set boundaries without apology. Boundaries don't need explanations, they need consistency. Say less, mean more. People respect what they can't manipulate. The more you value your peace, the less you'll explain your limits. 5. Let your actions speak louder than their words. Silence backed by self-control is a language of power. You don't have to prove your worth, your discipline does it for you. Move in silence and let results make the noise. Toxic people lose interest when you stop giving reactions. 6. Choose dignity over revenge. Revenge keeps you stuck at their level. Dignity lifts you above it. You win every time. You refuse to play their game. Not everything deserves your reaction. Some things only deserve your absence. Peace is the greatest revenge of all. 7. Let karma speak for you. Life always returns what people give. Let time and truth handle what you no longer need to explain. The universe never misses a lesson, it just waits for silence to deliver it. When you let go, karma finishes the conversation you never started. Remember, you don't demand respect, you earn it quietly. Silence makes them curious, boundaries make them respectful. And peace, that makes them realize you were never the weak one. Follow mindful ways for more wisdom and emotional mastery, because calmness is power.